How has Foyle Legal made a difference in the local community?
Since we started in 2012, we've had the privilege of helping over 10,000
That really stuck with you.
There's one case I'll never forget. A 19-year-old migrant worker had only been in Australia for a few months.
How does it make you feel to be listed on ThreeBestRated?
It's a huge honour to be recognised as one of the best in the industry, but really it's a
How has Foyle Legal made a difference in the local community?
Since we started in 2012, we've had the privilege of helping over 10,000 West Australians access justice. These are people who might have otherwise been without options. Our no-win, no-fee model ensures financial barriers don't stand in the way. For instance, we supported a single mother injured in a car accident, helping her to secure $350,000. Now, that compensation allowed her to rebuild her life and support her family without financial stress. Beyond our cases, we're big believers in giving back. We've created over 300 free educational videos, viewed more than 1 million times, to help people understand their rights. It's about creating a ripple effect, empowering not just our clients, but the wider community.
What's a success story from your career that really stuck with you?
There's one case I'll never forget. A 19-year-old migrant worker had only been in Australia for a few months when he suffered a severe hand injury at a construction site. His workers' comp claim was denied because his employer's insurer argued that the employer hadn't complied with the policy requirements. This had left him completely stranded. No income, no support, and limited English. We knew this wasn't right. Our team challenged the insurer's decision, proving the employer's responsibility under the policy. Even when COVID border closures left him stuck overseas, we didn't stop. We worked with international experts to gather evidence remotely. After 4 years of relentless advocacy, we secured $1.1 million in compensation. His plan was to open a restaurant in Perth and give back by offering affordable meals. This case taught us that justice is about persistence and believing in the people we represent, no matter how tough the fight.
Have you noticed any recent trends in compensation law in Perth?
There has been a big rise in mental health claims, especially due to workplace bullying and stress, up 82% over the past 3 years. It reflects how much more aware people are of the importance of mental health and holding workplaces accountable. We're also seeing a shift towards digital claims processes. Whilst it's great for efficiency, it's been challenging for people who aren't comfortable navigating online systems. Many feel overwhelmed and delay their claims. At Foyle Legal, we're here to guide clients through these changes, and we ensure that no one is left behind.
Have you faced any big challenges in fighting for injured people's rights?
One of the biggest challenges we faced was when a proposed bill threatened to severely restrict the rights of injured people in motor vehicle accidents. It was a defining moment for us. We immediately stepped up, educating our clients and the community about how this could impact them. Using our online platforms, we made sure people understood the stakes. We also teamed up with industry groups and worked directly with lawmakers to advocate for injured Western Australians. The result? The bill was stopped in its tracks. It was a powerful reminder that standing up for clients isn't just about individual cases. It's about protecting their rights on a larger scale.
How do you go beyond the average to get fair compensation for your clients?
We take a strategic and thorough approach to every case. In one motor vehicle accident case, the client's injuries were so severe they couldn't return to work. The average payout for a normal case is around $130,000, but we knew this wouldn't cover their lifelong needs. We worked with occupational therapists who outlined the cost of care and architects who designed plans for home modification to improve accessibility. This led to a $3.2 million settlement, far beyond the average. For us, fair compensation means fighting for what our clients truly need to move forward with their lives.
What sets Foyle Legal apart from other compensation law firms in Perth?
Our clients often tell us that they chose Foyle Legal because we listen when others don't. Many come to us after being turned away by other firms. We dedicate a full hour to every new client consultation, digging into detail that others might miss. For example, a workplace injury claim involving a client initially denied compensation turned into an $850,000 settlement because we uncovered hidden negligence. What also sets us apart is our accessibility. Our no-win, no-fee structure removes financial barriers, and our multilingual team ensures we can communicate with clients from all walks of life. At Foyle Legal, it's about making sure every client feels heard, valued, and supported.
Can you discuss a peculiar or unique case you've handled?
One case that really stands out is a client who suffered both a psychological injury and a foot injury at work. The workers' compensation payments were cut off, and when she hit the compensation cap, things got even more complicated, but we didn't walk away. What makes this case unique isn't just the complexity of a stress claim with physical component, it's the fact that we stood by her for 10 years. That's rare, especially on a no-win, no-fee basis. A decade is a long time, but we fought to make sure she got every cent she deserved. People often underestimate the long-term impact of these injuries, but we made sure she wasn't left behind. That's what real commitment looks like.
How do you handle cases involving workplace bullying or harassment?
We approach these cases with compassion and precision, understanding the emotional and professional toll that they take on individuals. In one instance, we assisted a mining worker who suffered an upper limb injury and was filmed against her will, and it led to significant PTSD and an inability to return to mining work. We helped her to pursue a potential common law claim against both her employer and a third-party contractor. To further strengthen the case, we collaborated with employment lawyers to ensure every legal angle was covered. The outcome allowed her to move to the eastern states and start a new chapter in her life. This resolution helped her to move on from the emotional toll, rebuild her confidence, and find a fresh start outside of the mining industry.
How does it make you feel to be listed on 3Best Rated?
It's a huge honor to be recognized as one of the best in the industry, but really it's a testament to the collective effort of our team. Their dedication and expertise are what makes this possible. This recognition motivates us to keep delivering exceptional service and to never lose sight of what matters most, helping our clients achieve life-changing outcomes.